Hello again, boys and girls. It's Miss B with more holidays around the world from National Geographic Kids. Today we are celebrating Hanukkah with lights, latkes, and dreidels. Deborah Heiligman is our author. Light, latkes, dreidels. In late November or in December, Jewish people all over the world celebrate Hanukkah. We celebrate with light, latkes, and dreidels. We hear the story of Hanukkah 2,000 years ago. A wicked king named Antiochus did not allow Jews to practice their religion. He took over the temple in Jerusalem where they worshiped, but the Jews fought back. It was a miracle! A small group of Jewish soldiers led by Judah Maccabee fought against the king's huge army. After many battles, the Maccabees won. It was a miracle. The Jews took back the temple. They swept and scrubbed until their holy temple shone and was ready for prayer to God again. They celebrated for 8 nights and days because that was the length of their harvest festival, Sukkot. The new holiday became Hanukkah, which means rededication. And this is the Tower of David and the surrounding citadel, which is in Jerusalem in Israel. And when you see a book with photographs like this, you know automatically it's an information or a non-fiction book. We still celebrate Hanukkah for 8 nights and days. Hanukkah begins at sundown like all Jewish holidays. Each night we light candles in a special candle holder called a Hanukkah Menorah or Hanukkah. The Hanukkah has 9 candles. There is a candle for every night plus a helper candle called a shamash. We use the shamash to light the other candles, and it says each night we light candles. And here is a gentleman. He is lighting a Hanukkah Menorah that is outdoors in Jacksonville, Florida, and it is 13 feet high and 10 feet wide. The Festival of Lights. On the first night, we light 1 candle with the shamash. On the second night, we light 2 candles with the shamash. On the third, 3, and so on. The candles bring light to dark, cold nights during Hanukkah, the Festival of Lights. And this is a Jewish boy in Jerusalem. He is lighting a Hanukkah made of oil lamps inside a glass box that is outside the house. And this one is from 300 to 500, the year 300 to 500, and it's from ancient Israel. Say a prayer. We say prayers every night when we light candles. On the first night, we say a prayer thanking God for letting us reach this happy occasion. On all 8 nights, we say 2 other blessings. In one of them, we bless God for commanding us to light the Hanukkah lights. In the other, we bless him for making miracles happen. And this is a prayer shawl called a talis, and they put them on. The gentleman put them on. Oops, sorry, too many pages here. When they pray. So, we are proud to be Jewish. It is important to tell about the miracle. We want to show everyone we are proud to be Jewish. We are glad we are free to practice our religion. That's why all over the world people put Hanukkahs in windows and light menorahs in cities and towns and parks. And this is a Hanukkah card from South Korea. And this young man is from Uganda, and he is Jewish. This Hanukkah is 26 feet tall, and it is in front of the Palace of Culture in Warsaw, Poland. We are happy to celebrate another miracle of Hanukkah too, the miracle of the oil. Over the years, people told a story about the first Hanukkah. They said that when the Jews went to light a special oil lamp, there was only a little bit of sacred oil, enough for just 1 night. But they were supposed to light the lamp and celebrate the holiday for 8 nights. It would take too long for them to get more oil. What could they do? Then another miracle happened. A tiny bit of oil lasted for 8 nights. We celebrate that miracle today. We celebrate by eating foods made with oil. We make potato pancakes called latkes. We grate the potatoes, mix in flour, eggs, and salt, and deep fry them in oil. Delicious. We can eat them with applesauce or sour cream or both, and that's what we see here. It's them making the latkes on the stovetop. We also eat jelly-filled donuts called souffloniot. I think I said that right. I'm not sure. They are fried in oil. They are delicious too. Spin, spin, spin. After dinner, we play with a spinning top called a dreidel. The Hebrew letters on the sides of the dreidel stand for a great miracle happened there. In Israel, the letters stand for a great miracle happened here. We play a betting game with the dreidel. If you win, you get to take the pot of raisins or nuts or pennies. If you lose, you have to put yours back. Sometimes you get half, sometimes you get nothing. Dreidels are also fun just to spin, spin, spin. And here are some children playing with the dreidels in Ghana, West Africa. We put on Hanukkah plays and we sing songs. We give and get presents too. Some children get a present on each night of Hanukkah. Some get one big present on the last night. We get gelt or money as well. But we also think of others who have less than we do. We do tzedakah or charity to those who are needy. And here they say we sing songs. And these are little children singing at a menorah lighting ceremony. And here's some gelt. We share the light in our hearts. Like all Jewish holidays, Hanukkah is a time to be with family and friends. It is also a time to open up our homes to those who are alone. We invite them to celebrate with us. We share the light in our hearts. Our world is filled with light. This is an acrobat twirling a wheel of fire at a Hanukkah celebration in Rome, Italy. All over the world, we celebrate the miracles of Hanukkah. We can practice our religion. We are free. On the last night of Hanukkah, all the candles are blazing. Our world is filled with light. And here you see more text features of an informational or nonfiction book. The contents. This is called the table of contents. If you wanted to just know about the latkes, you would look for the latkes here and turn to page 27. This is a rundown, a very short list of the facts. This is a description on how to light the Hanukkah, and here is a recipe for how to make Deborah's potato latkes. Yummy! Here's a description on how to play dreidel, and it shows you here all of the letters, the Hebrew letters, and what they stand for and how to play. A list of books on how to find out more and websites as well. So I hope, oh, by the way, this is an astronaut, Jeffrey Hoffman, who was on the Space Shuttle Endeavour on a mission in December 1993. He brought a dreidel and a menorah on the space shuttle, but he couldn't light the candles because a spark would ignite the oxygen in the orbiter, causing the gravity to explode. But he did spin the dreidel in zero gravity up in space, and he said it was quite fun. It spins forever. And that is the dreidel floating right next to him. All right, boys and girls, that is Celebrate Hanukkah from National Geographic Kids. I hope you learned a lot from it.